Hello students, welcome to Birla International School and you are watching your favorite school channel Birla Kids. This is workbook of class 5th for mathematics and today we are going to solve worksheet 7 and the very first question is given to subtract. Okay students, so we will subtract all these questions. The first question starting 6 minus 1, 5, 4 minus 2, 2, 6 minus 7, not possible. So we will borrow from the nearest digit. This one will be 4 and this one will be 16. Now 16 minus 7, 9. 4 minus 4, 0. 4 minus 5, not possible. So borrow from the nearest digit. This one will be 8 and this will be 14. So 14 minus 5, 9. 8 minus 2, 6. 2 minus 3, not possible. So take borrow from the nearest digit. This one will be 1 and here will be 1. This one will be 12. Now 12 minus 3, 9 and 1 minus 1, 0. Okay students, similarly we have to subtract these numbers. 4 minus 5, not possible. So borrow from the nearest digit. This one will be 5 and this will be 14. Now 14 minus 5, 9. 5 minus 8, not possible. So borrow from this number. This one will be 6 and this will be 15. Now 15 minus 8 will be 7. 6 minus 5, 1. 9 minus 9, 0. 7 minus 0, 7. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. And 4 minus 2, 2. See in this question, 8 minus 9, not possible. So borrow from nearest digit. So it will be 6 and it will be 18. So 18 minus 9, 9. 6 minus 8, not possible. So borrow from this number. This will be 1 and here will be 16. So 16 minus 8, what will be? 8. Now 1 minus 5, not possible. So again borrow from nearest digit. This will be 5 and this one will be 11. So 11 minus 5, 6. 5 minus 7, not possible. Borrow from this digit. This will be 6 and here will be 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 6 minus 9, not possible. Borrow from this digit. This will be 7 and this will be 16. Now 16 minus 9, 7. Now 7 minus 8, not possible. So borrow from this digit. This will be 2 and this will be 17. 17 minus 8 will be 9. And last 2 minus 2 will be 0. Continue. Next D. 5 minus 5, 0. 6 minus 7, not possible. So this one will be 8 and this will be 16. 16 minus 7, 9. 8 minus 2, 6. 6 minus 7, not possible. Borrow from this digit. This one will be 4 and here will be 1. 16 minus 7, 9. 4 minus 6, not possible. So we have to borrow from this digit. Okay. And for this, we have to borrow from this number. This one will be 4. Then this will be 10. Now we have to borrow from this number. This one will be 9. Okay students, this will be 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 9 minus 5, 4. 4 minus 9, not possible. So borrow from here. This one will be 3 and this is 14. 14 minus 9, 5. And 3 minus 2, 1. See in this, 1 minus 8, not possible. So borrow from here. This will be 7 and this one will be 11. Now 11 minus 8, 3. 7 minus 6, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. 2 minus 5, not possible. So borrow from this digit. This will be 3. This will be 12. 12 minus 5, 7. Again 3 minus 7, not possible. Borrow from here. This will be 5. Make it 13. 13 minus 7, 6. 5 minus 8, not possible. Borrow from this digit. This will be 8 and make it 15. 15 minus 8, 7. 8 minus 5, 3. And 8 minus 2, 6. Come to the next F. 6 minus 7, not possible. So make it 4 and this one will be 16. 16 minus 7, 9. 4 minus 6, not possible. Borrow from this digit. This will be 7 and make it 14. 14 minus 6, 8. 7 minus 9, not possible. So borrow from this digit. This will be 5 and this one will be 17. 17 minus 9, 8. 5 minus 7, not possible. Borrow from this digit. This will be 8. This will be 15. 15 minus 7, number will be 8. 8 minus 4, 4. 4 minus 8, not possible. So borrow from this one. This will be 4, this will be 14. 14 minus 8, 6. Now 4 minus 9, not possible. So borrow from this digit. This will be 5 and make it 14. 14 minus 9, 5. And last 5 minus 2 will be 3. Okay, students. Come to the next question number 2. And the second question is given. Find the missing number. So first question is given. We have to subtract 0 minus what number that we get 0. 0 में से क्या minus करें 0 आ जाए? Of course 0. Next number. From which number we have to subtract 2 to get 6? किस नंबर में से 2 माइनस करेगी 6 आ जाए? The number will be 8. 6 में से क्या माइनस करेगी 3 आ जाए? Of course 3. 8 minus 7, 1. 5 में से क्या माइनस करेंगे कि 1 होगा? Of course 4. Continue. From which number we subtract 3 to get 4? Of course the number will be 7. And last 6 minus 3, 3. Come to this number. 0 minus 1, not possible. It means this will be 8 and this will be 10. So 10 minus 1, 9. Correct. Now 8 minus. From 8, what should we subtract to get 5? 3. Here, from which number subtract 7 to get 5? The number will be, there is required a number that should be greater than this number. Okay, students. So 7 plus 5 means 12. Here should be 12. So 12 is not possible. It means we will write here only 2. Okay, students. Now as we know that 2 minus 7 is not possible. So borrow from this digit. This one will be 1 and this one will be 12. So 12 minus 7, 5. Now this digit is 1. 1 minus what number to get 5? Not possible. Okay, students. So if I take any number here, just number will be 6 here. 11 minus 6. To make it 11, we have to borrow from here any number. That is not possible. So we can do one more thing. Just increase this number. This will be 6. Now 11 minus 6 is 5 and this number is 6. From which number we subtract 6 to get 2? Of course the number will be 8. So 8 minus 6 will be 2. And continue last. 8 minus 2 will be 6. Continue C. There all numbers are given zeros. So make it 10. This will be 9. Again 9. Again 9. Again 9. Again 9. Again 9. And this one will be 7. Okay, students. Now from 10, if we subtract 4, then we will get 6. Okay, students. Here 1 was given. So 9 minus 1, it will be 8. 9 minus. 9 में से क्या subtract करेगी? 4 आ जाएगा. 5. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus what to get 5? Of course 4. 9 minus 4, we will get 5. 9 minus what to get 3? 6. And 7 minus 2 will be 5. Okay, students. So 10 minus 8 will be 2. Okay, students. So to make it 10, this number will be increased by 1, that is 3. So from which number we get 3 to get 7? Of course 10. Here 10 is not possible, so we will write 0. And to make it 10, this number will be 5. Okay, students. Now 5. 5 में से क्या subtract करेगी? 6 आ जाए? पॉसिबल नहीं है. इसके लिए इसका क्या होना जरूरी है? 15. तो इसको अगर 15 करते हैं तो यहाँ पर नंबर क्या होगा? 8. अब 15 में से क्या माइनस करने पर 6 होगा? 9. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. किस नंबर में से 8 माइनस करे कि 7 आ जाए? तो नंबर क्या होगा? किस में से 8 माइनस करने पर 7 आ जाएगा? तो नंबर होगा 15. तो 15 के लिए यहाँ पर ऑनली क्या लिखेंगे? 5. और 15 बनाने के लिए इसको क्या करना होगा? 4 करना होगा, तब ये 15 होगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. नाउ 4 में से क्या माइनस करेंगे? 2 आ जाए. ऑफ कोर्स 2. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. नेक्स्ट नंबर. किस नंबर में से 3 माइनस करें कि 8 आ जाए? तो नंबर यहाँ क्या होना चाहिए? 11. तो 11 के लिए यहाँ क्या लिखेंगे? 1. इससे ये क्या हो जाएगा? 5. Now 5 minus what to get 4? Of course the number will be 1. Okay students, see in the last question, 0 minus what to get, there is no number given. Okay students, so we can write any of the number. So if I write here 0, then here will be 0. I can take any of the number here. So I am just taking suppose 5. So 5 minus 2 will be 3. 6 minus 2 will be 4. And 9 minus 7 will be 2. 5 minus 3 will be 2. And 7 minus 3 will be 4. And 6 minus 2 will be 4. Okay students, completed. Now you have to write down these answers in your worksheet. Worksheet 7th completed, and we will see you again with the solution of next worksheet. Till then, have a good day.